Hi, and welcome back to White Sponge. Today we'll be talking about the metaverse from a developer's perspective. But before we start, be sure to hit that subscribe and notification bell buttons so that you do not miss any new videos. And let's dive in right away. A few months ago, when Mark Zuckerberg announced that they were changing their parent company's name from Facebook to Meta, it changed everything. Mark Zuckerberg highlighted one of the main push factors for that change so as to better relate and align themselves better with the dawn of the metaverse. Now, according to Mark Zuckerberg, the metaverse is the next chapter for the internet. He also hopes that it will be the ultimate promise of technology so that anyone can be together with anyone to be able to be teleported anywhere. It will also consist of more interoperable spaces where people can interact with each other no matter where they are. Now, if you have any trouble with how that might look like, think of Ready Player One. Now, if you see Mark Zuckerberg's vision of the metaverse here, it is really immersive and interconnected. And we can clearly see that all this should be achievable with VR, which is virtual reality, and AR, which is augmented reality technology working together. So now what does all that change for a developer who currently enjoys making apps? So right off the top of my head, new opportunities, alright? A new experience in the metaverse will definitely require more creative minds capable of creating new immersive 3D avatars and whole new worlds for us to exploit. And what about the very thing that helps support and pushes that decentralization and interoperability for the metaverse? And yes, you guessed it, we are talking about blockchain. Okay, with the recent advancements in blockchain technology, it is getting more and more accessible to create DApps, which is short for decentralized applications. Alright, DApps are often built on the Ethereum platform and can be developed for a number of purposes such as gaming, finance, and even social media. Now, as it is still in its early stages, DApps does have some disadvantages. Okay, it is still experimental and might not be able to scale effectively. For example, just earlier this month, a popular Ethereum alternative, Polygon Matic, came under heavy load from just one simple blockchain based agriculture game called Sunflower Farmers. Okay, many users have taken to social media about failed transactions and degraded performance across the said blockchain. Right, so for example, one transaction on Polygon went up to around $0.5 from around fractions of a cent. Okay, another disadvantage is that it might be tough right now for developers to make changes or code modifications for the apps. The data and code published to the blockchain are found to be hard to modify. Okay, but of course, let's not forget about the advantages here. Okay, DApps promotes user privacy as users do not need to submit their personal information to use the function that the app provides, right? The apps uses smart contracts, right, to complete the transaction between two anonymous parties without the need to rely on a central authority. Right? For example, we have Audius, okay, a decentralized alternative to something like Spotify, right? The Audius, right, allows artists to own their content, generate immutable and timestamp records for their creative works, which is also secured by an incentive aligned decentralized network of node operators. So as a developer, I definitely feel that while we are still in the very early stages of the metaverse, there are and will be many new opportunities for us to explore and gain from it. So what do you think? Are you looking forward to the metaverse becoming more real every day? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, stay awesome and stay safe, and do look forward to our new and upcoming videos. Cheers, man.